Hi, welcome to this video about the latest ArcoLinux. So you see, oops, too late, an EFI installation of ArcoLinux. The USB is in here. I set the secure box off in the BIOS and we're booting. The only thing I want you to show is that the version ArcoLinux 18.10.4 has something new. So yeah, I know I see my own reflection, so hi guys. Maybe you can tilt it, but probably more or less the same. The thing is that now my reflection is gone and I can use my finger. So that's the thing I wanted to just tell you guys, hey, this is now touch sensitive and I can do my stuff like this and then say erase disk and go. So it's now touch sensitive. Okay, enjoy.